Welcome. This is a visual walkthrough of our automated SMS outreach and lead control system. We're going to follow a lead's entire journey, right from the moment it enters the system to the final handoff. Right up front, it's important to know that this system is implemented inside Cloud Tech Services CRM using Go High Level. From here on out, we'll just refer to it as the system. We'll be walking through 6 key stages today. First, intake and validation. Then, controlled release and routing. After that, we'll look at A/B execution, reply handling, manual review, and finally, SLA enforcement. Let's get started. Okay, stage 1. This is all about lead intake and validation, basically the system's front door. So a new lead comes in and immediately hits 3 checks. First, the system looks for a business name. Then it checks for a phone number. And last, it confirms that phone number contains 614. The outcome here is simple. If a lead fails even one of those checks, it's stopped right there, permanently. But if it passes all 3, it gets tagged ready for outreach and moves on to the next stage. Now for stage 2, controlled release and routing. This is all about pacing and precision. To protect deliverability, the system releases a maximum of just 2 qualified leads per minute. And on top of that, there's a hard cap. The system will not process more than 500 leads in a single day. Next, routing. This is based on one simple condition. Does the lead have a website? If the answer is no, it's assigned to the website development campaign. If it does have a website, it's routed to the paid advertising campaign. Let's move to stage 3, A/B execution and timing. This is where the system starts learning automatically. The incoming traffic is split perfectly, 50-50. Path A uses messaging designed to maximize the number of replies. Path B, on the other hand, uses messaging designed to filter for only high-intent leads. The system also tests follow-up timing. If there's no reply, Path A will send a follow-up after just 2 hours. Path B waits a full 24 hours before following up. All right, stage 4. This is reply handling and recycling, where we use AI for classification and recovery. So when a reply comes in, an AI reads it and classifies the intent. If the lead sounds interested, the system automatically creates an opportunity. If they're not interested, the lead is closed. And if the AI is unclear on the intent, it flags the lead for a manual review. Now, what about leads that don't reply? If a lead in the website campaign either doesn't reply or says they're not interested, they aren't just discarded. The system removes the old tags and automatically recycles them into the paid ads campaign for a second chance with a different offer. That brings us to stage 5, manual review and pipelines. This is the human handoff point. Remember those unclear replies? When that happens, a few things are triggered instantly. The lead is assigned to Ash, an on-hold tag is applied, and, crucially, all further automation for that lead is paused. We manage these leads in 2 very distinct pipelines. The outreach pipeline is where Ash works to manually qualify these unclear leads. The sales pipeline, well, that's only for sales-ready leads that get assigned to either Henry or Selena. And finally, we've arrived at stage 6, SLA enforcement and guarantees. This is all about automated accountability. As soon as a lead is assigned to a person, a strict 2-day service level agreement clock starts ticking. A reminder goes out after 30 minutes, another one the next business day, and another the day after that. If there's still no action, a final warning is sent 30 minutes before the system automatically reassigns the lead. So, if that SLA is breached, here's what happens. If Selena or Henry don't act on their lead in time, it gets reassigned to Ash for follow-up. And if Ash is the one who breaches the SLA, the lead is reassigned back to the correct sales owner, either Selena or Henry. No lead is ever left behind. The result of this entire architecture is a set of guarantees. No bad leads ever enter the SMS flow. There's no uncontrolled blasting, the wrong offer is never sent, no reply is ever ignored, no lead ever gets stuck in limbo, and there is never any confusion about who owns a lead. The design of this system really solves for follow-up, and that leaves us with the next big operational question to tackle. When lead follow-up is perfected, what becomes the new bottleneck?